Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking through the weekend details. We start off Saturday morning already on a very warm and humid note. Some sunshine, some high cloud around as well, quite hazy in the atmosphere, a few early mist patches in some low-lying spots. Already fairly early in the day, we'll have the risk of some bursts of rain popping up across Wales. Elsewhere, generally dry throughout the morning hours, but the risk of a thunderstorm develops across Wales through into the middle of the day, and that risk of bursts of rain extends further into northern England onwards into the early afternoon hours. These very sporadic, very hit and miss. The risk locally, though, of a thundery downpour. The greatest risk seems to extend up the Pennines through the afternoon. Still one or two thundery downpours across mid and east Wales possible. Scotland, by and large, avoiding most of these, but still not completely ruling out the risk of a local thundery downpour. So just keep an eye on the skies as things go through Saturday. Into the evening time, and the risk of perhaps more extensive thunderstorms extends into northern England. The exact detail is open to some question. This blob shown on the model chart isn't to be taken absolutely literally, but the idea of the Lake District toward the Pennines in particular seems to be the greatest threat of more extensive thunderstorms late on Saturday, and one or two thunderstorms too could well be just locally across the Highlands. Much fresher air is moving in from the Atlantic onwards through Saturday night into Sunday, temperatures dropping considerably. Some frequent showery bursts of rain spreading in from the west then, those most frequent across western Scotland, but some heavy bursts extending eastwards through Sunday daytime. The risk of an isolated rumble of thunder in the mix across the Highlands. Across England and Wales, patchy showery rain at first becomes generally more frequent and wetter onwards into Sunday afternoon for the Lake District, Pennines and North Wales. Brisk southwesterly winds and temperatures continuing to drop onwards into Sunday evening. We stick with a brisk west-southwesterly flow into early next week, with further showery rain at times, most frequent in western regions, staying on the cooler side, and I think this rather mixed theme is going to be around throughout the week ahead. Rain at times, rather windy, and temperatures nearer to average or a little bit below on the cooler side more often. Keep up to date with all your local details on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.